Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram activity log step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page. In the settings menu, you have to simply tap on your activity. And here you can see all your recent interactions. For example, likes, comments, notes, etc. If you are looking for specific actions, you can simply tap on it. For example, if I will tap on likes. So here it will show the posts I have liked on Instagram. And that's it. Now you know how to easily access your Instagram activity log and keep track of everything you do on the app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.